Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 10 August 2018, 18 of hour, 38 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what do you do when your phone won't turn on? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what do you do when your phone won't turn on. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here's the explanation about what do you do when your phone won't turn on. The following steps will usually get your phone working again in a few seconds unless you are absolutely certain that there is plenty of charge left on the battery. Connect the phone to a wall charger for at least 15 minutes. Hold the home and power off asleep at the same time. More items. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.